Hello guys, welcome back to NS Knowledge World. So today I'm going to show you how to make a step counter app in MIT App Inventor. So create a project like this. I've already created. Open it, and now what you have to do is click on layout and drag a vertical arrangement like this and make it height fill parent and width also fill parent. Now click on user interface and add 3 buttons and one label here. Now change the text. For button 1 the text should be start step counting. For button 2 it should be stop step counting. And for button 3 it should be reset. Okay, and now change the text for the label. It should be 0. Now increase the size of the text as 40. And now change the background color as you want in for the buttons, and you can change the text color also. Okay, wait. Okay, now now go on blocks, or no, you first go back to the design, and you have to add one pedometer which will get in the sensors. Click on sensors and drag pedometer like this. Now go on blocks, and now what should you do? Click on button 1 and drag when button 1 dot click do, and then click on pedometer and drag this call pedometer dot start, and now click on button 2 and then drag when button 2 dot click do, and again click on pedometer 1 and drag this call pedometer dot stop. Okay, now click on button 3 and again drag that button when button 3 dot click, and then click on pedometer and drag the call pedometer reset. Okay, now in this block which you have to add one more thing, that label. It's that label dot set label 1 dot text 2. So yes, this one, set label 1 dot text, change, and then it should be here. Click on maths and drag 0, this 0 block here. Okay, now click on pedometer and drag this when pedometer dot simple step do. So now drag click again, now click on label again and drag the say, or you should do this, copy and paste this here, and remove this 0 block, and remove this 0 block, delete it, and go on pedometer dot, and then you will get a block that pedometer dot simple steps. Drag it here, and this is your step counter app is ready. If you want to see how the step counter app works, I have uploaded a short video, YouTube short video in my channel. You can see there that how this app works. Thank you.